Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add trademark copyright to your Wix website. Let's get started. As you can see right here on my footer, I don't have a copyright icon or a trademark icon. So in order to do that, just search in here for a trademark copyright tag. Now scroll down until you reach this bono mark and then click on this link. And then from in here, it will show you this. So what you can do is you can actually just select this trademark right here, click on Control C on your computer, or just right click on the selection and then click on copy. Once you have done that, head over again to your Wix website and then add that right here by clicking on the Control V. So as you can see, the trademark has been added. Now we can also add in the copyright, so let's select it and copy it as well, and then head over and just paste it right here. As you can see, that's been added. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon!